Sometimes installing a security camera is a lot of work. What if you could just stick it to your window? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at this Botslab window camera right here. This is a camera that just sticks on the window, and it's got AI features built into it. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. This is the new W101 Botslab window camera right here. It's got AI in it. It's super kawaii looking. Red Dot Winner Award right there. We've got the app information on the back. So the packaging on this looks really, really good. Let's open it up. One of the first things you see in the box is this quick start guide right here. Super simple to set this thing up, and that's the point. So pay attention to this, it's important. We've got a much more in-depth version of that quick start guide, which is going to go more into, got a much more in-depth quick start guide here, which is just going to go more into the details of setting everything up exactly how you want it and need it. So super cool. Contact information card right here, so if you need support, that is included. We've got part of our window magnets right here, so we have part of our window mounting system here, and it looks to be like it's going to be some form of Velcro, so that's super awesome. Basically, just stick this on the window and then stick the camera to this. Part of our battery system right here is included. We've got USB-C to USB-A. You plug this into the wall, then plug this into the camera, and voila, it works. And then we also have a really cool 24-hour video surveillance sticker right here. Keep those thieves away and let them know I've got surveillance. And the security camera itself, look at this thing. It's got the little Velcro kind of sticker on the back. If we peel this off here, you'll be able to see one of the cameras, because guess what? This is a dual camera system, so you can see what's happening inside your house and outside of your house. So super cool. Looks like we got some little ears here. So back to that kawaii. Peel this sticker because we know you love to see it. And very nice. Look at this thing. This just is awesome. And it looks like we can adjust this camera a little bit here as well, so super cool. But let's go ahead and get everything set up and try it out. This is the W101 Botslab window camera, redefining home security. So the traditional outdoor cameras are prone to theft and weather damage. The W101 moves protection indoors, sticking directly to your glass for high-end surveillance while remaining safe from the elements. And you can see both worlds at once. With their dual view technology, it captures both indoor and outdoor perspectives in one device. So it's perfect for monitoring the porch and your kids simultaneously without any extra camera. And with that vibrant color and darkness, it features a pro-grade f-stop 1.0 sensor. The W101 produces bright, full-color 2.5K video at night, making it easy to identify faces and vehicles where standard cameras fail. It's designed for every scenario. Whether for a suburban home, urban apartment, or a motorhome RV, the discreet design and tool-free installation make it the top choice for renters and travelers. And with that anti-glare technology, it's specifically engineered for window mounting. The anti-glare and anti-reflection design ensures a clear view through the glass without interference from indoor lighting. And of course, this comes bundled with an amazing app where you'll be able to see everything that's going on at the same time, as well as capture and save footage to your phones directly. Botslab is known for amazing security, and this one is no exception. They've done it again, so I gotta say, wow guys, great job. As you know, we've worked with Botslab in the past, and their security cameras are always so A+. A++, that is. They're very nice, high quality cameras at a good price. And their AI features just keep getting better and better. We want to give a huge shout out to Botslab for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye!